Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, let's get into this video. Okay, guys, I'm at this website. Name of this website is prizesgaming.com. So on this website, you're going to play free games and win cash prizes. So play games, collect tickets, and win real money prizes up to $10,000 every week. Spin the fortune wheel, join lucky games, or take part in our daily lotto to win instant prizes. Wow, guys, this site here is going to pay out a lot of money when you just play games. Now, they have weekly draw prizes. And as you can see here, look at the amount, $1,350. Next draw is in 3 days. They've paid overall $1,991,567. And this is overall winnings paid to players, guys. Now, how to win cash? So win the jackpot. Collect at least 10,000 tickets and enter the weekly draw. Spin the fortune wheel and collect cash prizes every day. Refer friends, so invite your friends and get direct cash and lots of tickets when they reach level 5. And then log in every day. Log in 7 days in a row to spin the wheel of cash. Now, they do have an app. So you can download this app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Win cash in lucky games. So collect all lucky numbers to maximize your chances. As you can see here, you can win a jackpot of $10,000. And this draws in 5 days. You just click right here to sign up to win. And here's the fortune wheel. To spin, you just click right here to spin and it'll let you know if you win. So you click right here to invite a member so you can make extra money that way. Now, they do have missions. So you just click right here to sign in to play missions and win big. So missions are certain tasks that you have to complete. And as you see right here, if you complete 3 of the missions, you can win this amount. Now, they have tournaments. So compete with others and win big. So this is a tournament right here. When you play this game, you're going to be competing against another person. The prize right here is $50. Same with this one right here called Sunshine Solitaire. You can win $50. That's the first prize winner. And the first prize winner on this one, which is called Kung Fu Inc., will get $50. Now, here's some games for you. So every game has 4 missions daily. So once you complete those 4 missions, you get $100. So this one right here is called Karate Kiddo 2. And here's another one, Moto FX2. And as you can see, all of them, you're going to win $100 once you complete 4 missions. And this is a good one right here, Color Hit. Very simple games, guys. These are not complicated games. As you can see, they got a lot of games you can play. And if you play all these, look at that. Some of these games only take about 5 minutes to complete. So this one right here, you complete the mission in 5 minutes, $100. Same with this one. So guys, this is a good opportunity to make $100 in 5 minutes. Just playing these little games, completing these missions. So I want to show you one more thing, guys. So I'm going to click right here where it says winners. So here are the winners to let you know this is a legit website and you can win. So this person right here is the top earner. They have 7,069. Here's the second top earner. They got 6,252. And here's the third top earner. They received 2,075. And As you can see here, all the other earners that are ranked. You can get on this list too, guys. All you have to do is play those games, complete those missions, and win that money. Or play the lotto, or spin the wheel. So it's a lot of different ways to make money on here. So guys, that's it. This is a very, very fun website, and you can make a lot of money on this website just playing games, having fun. So I suggest you check it out. Again, go to prizes.gamey.com and you can download the app, get started winning this cash. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please hit that like button for me and drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online in 2023. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, because I make videos like this 3 times a week. And I don't want you to miss out. On that note, get your grind on, because our grind is real. Please go check out these other videos to learn more ways to make money online. Peace and have a prosperous day.